Hello, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use gift card as a payment method inside ConnectPOS. So as Shopify only allows gift card in private apps, so we basically need to make ConnectPOS a private app inside your Shopify admin. So here's how. Let's go to app. So now you need to create a new private app by clicking on Manage Private App. And you can click create a new one. You can name it ConnectPOS. So this should be the ConnectPOS support email. So that you can contact it when you have any problem. About admin API, you will need to grant access to some area inside your private app. It includes customer. Please give it the hide permission. Drop orders. Fulfillment service. Gift cards, of course. We also need permission to others. Okay, so that's all. After you are done, please save it. When you save it, you are supposed to see a section, admin API section, which has API key and password. All you need to do now is you copy the password here and you go to ConnectPOS, go to setting, module. You'll find the module name gift card, and you install it. After install, you see a setting button. You need to enter the password here and save it. So after you install gift card module, you're supposed to see gift card as a payment method when you create a new order. So here you can issue a new gift card. Let me try this. So I'm going to send this one. Resend gift card. Okay, so I'm going to check my email. And view the code. Okay, I'm going to try applying the gift card inside ConnectPOS. Like pasting it here and verify. Okay, so after verifying, you can complete the payment with a gift card. Okay, so I hope this helped. If you have any question regarding the gift card, please chat with us so that I will help you setting it up. Thank you for watching.